Guys, welcome to channel 11. Today, a parcel came in. As you can see, this is the name of the vacuum cleaner I just bought. And as it's me trying to unbox it. There's the logo, everything about it. It was pretty cool. I like the red. It was, average. Oh well, let's get on to cutting it up. Have a look at it before we do it. Multi-clonic, I don't know how to spell it. Multi-clonic technology, whatever. Anyways, let's get on to the video. It's taking a while. Yep. Have a good look at it. There we go. Powerful, lightweight, full size. There's some information. QR codes and shit. There's me trying to cut it up. Smooth. Couldn't find something to cut it, so I just used a knife. Life's hard sometimes. Damn. Kind of like butter. Okay, let's open it up. There's the manual. That's me trying to stop my brother touching it. Open it up. Look at all the stuff. Throw it away. There's the thingy you attach to the, pipe thingy. There's, I don't know what that is. No, it's that. Damn, I hate this box. Oh my god. Speed up. There's the vacuum cleaner. Yay. Have a good look at it. Let's pull it straight out. Give me a sec. There's the thingy you attach, the handle. Yeah, the handle. Let's pull out the thing. The vacuum cleaner, the main boss. Have a good look at it. Such a nice vacuum cleaner. Beautiful. Have a good look at it. And there's the empty box. And we're just playing around with this. And there it is. Covered in foil. Watch me struggle with this. Kind of. Watch me struggle on unwrapping it. And there we go. Did it off camera because it took a while. And there's the, I don't know what I'm showing, but anyways, look at it. Ignore the wind. there's the rest of the machine, the wiring. Have a nice look at it. The next step, we'll put the long thing in there, handle thing. Straight in it goes. Just there. Ta-da! The vacuum cleaner. Oh. Okay. Came right off. How do you open this thing? And there you go. Did it off camera because it took a while. Click right back in and put it back. Oh, I forgot to take this out. And that's gone. A little plastic left right there. Let's take that out. Have a nice look at it. Let's dismantle it. Don't know why I'm doing that, but let's dismantle it. Either way. Put it right back on. And put that in. That's, you know what I'm doing with that. What does that do? Alright. Oh. This reminds me of being a kid. Oh wait, I am a kid. There's the thing is supposed to attach. I think I attached it the wrong way. Yeah. It's supposed to be there. Where's it supposed to go? Oh yeah, it's right there. It fits. Got that part right. It's supposed to do that. Try to take it off. And put it right back in. Turn this thing on. I took out the noise because, you know, it's really loud. Anyways, let's keep looking at it. Have a nice look at it. Ignore that. And yeah, there we go. It's not turned on, but alright. Have a nice look at it. And yeah, have a nice look at it. Unplug this. There we go. Keep going. And we're done. Oh my god. Let's see. It's a mess. Great. And who wires these stuff? Attach it into the socket. Why is there a hole there? What did I do? Did I break it? I just broke it. Turn it on and vacuum. Okay, keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing. My house is a mess. Keep vacuuming. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Seems any. Oh my gosh, why is it? Okay, not that much. Oh my god. How long haven't Dow's been living in a dustbin? House. Honestly, I need to get a new house. So dirty. My god. Oh my god. This is how much dust I had in my house. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.